one day? And where do we go? I like to think that we come back to the loving arms of the universe, a place that we can't quite understand, where we are not just in a place of love, but we become love.
Oh, hi again. Why don't we take a look at the frame I just made, and I'll show you a couple of things. So if you look here, there's certain pieces that I've stuck out, and there's two reasons for sticking out certain pieces like this, because you think, oh, well, that's really thin, and on a big cut like this, well, then it might break, right? But I'm actually going to come back and weld that. But when I weld it, I'm going to weld it from the back side. So the cut will appear to be continued. In some cases too, it also affords you really good opportunities to make something pop or to change something. So some of them you're going to want to keep, and some of them you're just going to weld them from the back side.
this, which I name the love of the universe, was made for the passing of this life onto the next. I hope that it brought some sense of joy or inspiration into your day and that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to get more of my videos as soon as they come out. You have a beautiful day.